What's going on, YouTube, spookies, and people all across the world? It is me, SpookyBear. What is going on, YouTube, spookies, and YouTubers and spookies? What is going on, YouTube, spookies, and people all across the world? It is SpookyBear, and yes, I am here with another face cam intro. I want to explain myself a little bit. So that last video, the reason it was mostly just like vlogging and talking was because I just wanted to document more like the reaction and how the four of us were feeling being stranded in Chicago rather than like filming anything else. I mean, I could have shown the hotel room. I could have shown other stuff, I guess. I could have shown like the car lot that we were at trying to find the car, but it was more just like how we were reacting to the situation and less about like that, because there really wasn't that much of it. We got there, we found out we couldn't go in, and then we literally just went to the hotel. Like, there wasn't much in between. I had a little footage of us driving, but it was dark, you know, not that great. So, yeah, in this video, you're going to see us on our way home. I'm going to show off the car a little bit, and that's going to be the video. I hope you guys enjoy this. Leave a like if you do, and subscribe if you haven't already. But, yeah, let's just jump right into it. What's going on, guys? Dad and I are here. We're walking out towards the car. We got a key.
Mad as hell.
Less mad than we were an hour ago. We've found some really nice people here at the car lot that helped us immediately, got us a key, got us what we needed. So we're here. Guys, I don't really feel like showing off the car right now. It's much nicer than the one that I drive already. And when I say new car, I mean new to me. It's much newer than the car that I drive. I've been driving some would call a hoopty for most of my life. Ever since I was in high school, I was driving that '03 Oldsmobile, and yeah, this is a huge upgrade. Like I said, my parents bought it originally from my grandma, and now turns out that wasn't gonna work for her, so I'm buying it from them. It's a long story, and it doesn't really matter, but yeah, we got the car. Hopefully when I get home, I'll maybe feel like showing it off a little bit more, but right now I just feel like getting on the road, and so that's what we're gonna do. And Dad is mad because Sydney left us here, so it's a long deal. So we will I'll try and update you when we're about halfway home. I hope you guys are enjoying so far. Stranded in Chicago, yeah, it's great. I'll see you guys soon. What's going on, guys? I'm back. It is currently 11 o'clock in the morning. Oops, sorry. And yeah, I'm in the backseat of the car. We're about 4.5 hours away from home. And oh my Atlanta. Anyway, yeah, I'm in the back of the car. I drove to get us about 2.5 hours outside of Naperville, and lay in the back of my new car. And I just wanted to say how much just how happy I am to have this car. I was afraid, yeah, I'm sorry. I was afraid that, I don't know, that last video that I did, I was just pretty, like, I was just being kind of pouty and stuff, mostly because I'm just tired, but, I really am happy. I haven't, like I said in that last part of the video, I haven't had a nice car, in a while. Not that that matters. I mean, I chose the car. I buy the cars that I drive, so I was clearly all right with it. But so I'm just really excited to have something this nice. Like, it's got heated seats, and my car didn't, and so that's just awesome to me. It's got an air conditioner and heater that works well. Unlike the car that I drove, it's the front passenger window of my car would get stuck in the down position, so you couldn't roll it down in my old car. So, like, this is clearly a step up, and you know, with all this whole thing, it was pretty easy for me to get upset or get all, you know, pouty and feeling bad for myself, but like, I kind of have to kick myself in the butt because I don't know. I'm very thankful that I have the ability to get a car like this, and I should have been more focused on that and been just happier in general. And I'm not a big forced positivity person, but you know, I some of that stuff was out of my control, so you have to just like worry about the things you can control and affect. Like, so the only thing I had control of was my mindset, and if I allowed that to get negative and get to start feeling sorry for myself, then I'd just digging myself into a hole. And you know, I just realized that, look, we weren't meant to drive home last night. Maybe, you know, there was something bigger at play there. And so I'm just really thankful that we're all safe, the four of us that went. I'm really thankful that we finally got the car and that we're finally headed home. And I just hope that we're able to make it all the way home to see Ross and Mom. And yeah, so this will probably be the end of the vlog as far as like me taking videos of myself goes. When I get home, I'll do like a side-by-side of the two cars so that you can see the improvement. I'll even go through the insides a little bit and show that off. So hope you guys are enjoying this video. I know it's been kind of weird and unlike most of my other videos, but yeah, so love you guys, and I'll see you in a second. Alright? Alright. So this is the outside of the car. 2012 Chevy Cruze LTZ. As you can see, there's a little ding right there, but not too bad. I think I can get that fixed for not too much. It's pretty nice looking. Yeah, I'm pretty pleased. Here are a couple of features that this car has that my old car did not. Remote start. Heated seats. Working passenger window. Working RPM gauge. Working fuel gauge. Bluetooth calling. USB aux and charging. Working air conditioner and heater. Happy Spooky Bear.